is here. And I'd just like to emphasize and for you to think about statement of one of the senator judges who said, don't say it here. Kung meron kayong gustong sabihin, yung mga opinion nyo, yung mga conclusions nyo, yung mga manifestations nyo, don't say it in the impeachment court. Say it outside. Say it through your spokesperson. Say it. My personal view here, and what I say, please do not blame management, please do not blame the public prosecutors, but I would like to say that when we talk about balance, and when we talk about impartiality, I guess that same standard should apply not only to the prosecutors, not only to the defense, but to the senator judges. This is not to say that we are saying that they are biased. We are saying that we have to have a balance also, because when the senator judges make a manifestation, wala po kaming karapatan mag-object. Until if the other side, for instance, if the other side, the defense, your prosecutors makes an objection or makes a statement, pwede namin sabihin misleading, Your Honors, pwede namin sabihin vague, pwede namin sabihin confusing, pwede namin sabihin objection, etc. Sadly, we cannot say the same. We do not have the same right to say that when it is the senator judges who make their own manifestations, who make their own opinions, who make their own conclusions of law and of fact as well. So, speaking for myself, if there is a call for balance, we're throwing back that call as well. Because I think hindi tama yung we will keep quiet in court and then sa labas na lang kami magsasalita. No, it is the right to information